Abusia Otumfour Osei Tutu say free SHS na abusia emfaso bia ni so if you say if the free SHS ho na say emofreko school na 2 weeks 3 weeks 1 month na omasan ba fia o mfaso e wo
na say be ka say free senior high school man kola akọ na komade ani asa apam ya bade na eso ni mfaso
so Minister of Education etimi ko opemso na ase any opemso ko discuss about the free SHS and then how they will be able to collaborate say the schools in Ashanti region and schools in Ghana no the free SHS na can be able to fit the students na nhehye wo ho no matimi edato any opemso what in sembe ato dwabusia train na memfa nyina so mo this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar High Karma Studios. If today is your first time, Mr. Osei click adomano so na obeka abushekwe hu say the update need be because of social media bia me be somewhere on this platform. Now the news is very simple. I mean for mo ransem no Haruna Idrusu, Honorable Haruna Idrusu, one a Minister for Education under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the governance are you moko opemso na ase abusia oni opemso ko twetwe komo kakra na opemso etimi ayi na koma so ade pa ade ato concerning the free SHS abusia opemso chiremu a free SHS no emfaso ni so say omanye implementation and ase yekase enyome womu a ema the free SHS no ema ye welding no so ma hye ni ya nyansa anyimeka na say it doesn't really count and ase bia e wo so mutwom. Now the less privileged should enjoy the free SHS, and then those who can be able to pay the school fees should be paying the school fees. Remember opemso ninsamodi toja when he met when the Minister of Education met opemso at Mensha Palace. Yaba yaka WhatsApp na ya charge no comment section ase.
Bible no bo man na one year no memem na me na kina said that one ni hu say and she share ye the science STEM ya marking STEM no the same science technology English and mathematics no near de ko na no ni say baby a class here bio science ni na ho
jo
na ya class baby be na kulungu ho baby na obi so ha se wonya adisua pa ngo so be science ni bio
jo
ni na ko so na ayeka nti o se ni na yi blocks yi ampa aka schools ni bi owa aka ni nyina na esi sika no e de be no so na de na so se de ba sika no de bi owa hu hia no e tete so na yi na ye de pia kwa e be ya na ye
jo
na ye ni nyina kama ba enko dormitories enko lada e fa yenko e de da be na ni no senior high school science lab e bi ni ho ICT e bi ni ha afi PTA ni bi ejide to boa kakra na ele koso school bus e bi ni ho o aduane ayedi e bi ni ho na nyina ayehwe ne hu se de se
jo
mo hwe ni nyina ni hu free senior high school ayehwe am pass ye ne mo mami hwe se free senior high school no ayeye no se ye to adwene ni hu na se be ka se free senior high school am ankola akọ na komade ani asa apam ya bade ene so ni faso
jo
na ye die be se aduane wo no odi nansa no abafi odi nansa no abafi na wasako na nso ni ye nhihye ni ye ni hu se ye kwa na ye ko aduane no obedi anu odi de obetumi atua mu mi ahwe ni ye obo wa se bo obetumi atua ye ma ni ntwa
jo
eno ana de ye hwe makane ye ko school no ye hwe mwe na pass ya hwe bezri wa wo ma unim na mo wonti ntwa na beza na trotro ba ya hwe mi ama bezri no koko boss scholarship those days e dia mobi na bi obetue twa so no otua no ko de ye hu so wonti ntwa so ye tra na ye hu beza no hu so we nti ntwa na ye dia ma school administration ye ko na bezri na ye dia ma no so
opemso ona Minister of Education ko na asia ne odin semi bra to dwa na we na Ghana for be na etwe asemi basane kon obi biare kan your pay obi biare kan de everybody is talking about his or her own and trending all over the social media. Now let us also talk about ours under the comment section. Meso me chema adwo wa say now so watch our the comment section ase. Meso also share this video to your family and your loved ones that way almost be and somewhere else way on the social media space na abusia say the be abrebia no ade be better from be there some wa say na or follow you on Facebook na wana concern be say if the free SHS abusia say the opem so kan ye no say things are not put in place, and then it's like the students should be going to school for like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and they are back home. And then education, some students are lacking resources to learn, and then some teachers are lacking some resources to used to teach the students, and at the same time, infrastructures, chairs and chalks are not in stock. How are the students going to enjoy the education? How are the teachers going to have the enthusiasm to teach the students? And opem so can Ghana for be na asemi basanyo concept opem so say first teachers should be cancelled. Ochemu e-blocks can room obusia. And then now those government obusia free SHS and ebaso under his governance. But the e-blocks are nanka wasn't so na itimi accommodate students more no said the bayanka green any good so under the free SHS na that one will be cancelled. No, they didn't do that. They just implement the free SHS, and then Kenyans love it, and most of us we also enjoyed the free SHS because we are product of it. So Opemso some other to Joanna Bushia, I really agree with Opemso 100%, because I feel like if they plan this thing and by now free SHS would have been much better than we expected, or whatever we are enjoying now. Sankanioma was put in place, and then some they really well planned the thing, and then less privileged should enjoy the free SHS, and then those who are in power or those who are having some, they should pay the school fees. That one I think it would have been helped, because now food are not available in some of the SHSs, and then the books, the textbooks, and then some resources are the schools in the rural areas and less privileged communities. The resources are some science students, we have this potential in some students, in some kids, but because of where they find themselves, who is going to mentor them, who is going to teach them, who is going to guide them, and even with there's no proper schools they can, or even if the schools are there's no proper resources to teach these students to become who the children are future leaders. So who are we to teach them without the resources? And I'm supposed to try and Ghana for be next one. Make sure you watch into the comment section, as because this is the news that is trending on all over the social media. Everybody is talking about his own opinion about that, and then we are also bringing the total news for you on this platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, founder and then manager of Karma Studios. If this is your first time, click on the bell, share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they will also get to know whatever is trending on the media space. Now, see you in the next episode of videos, and I'm finally out.